Hello viewers, welcome to English Smart Academy. Today's lesson is sentence. We are going to learn what is sentence, what are the main elements of sentence, different forms of sentence and structure of sentence. So first of all, what is sentence? Sentence is a word or a group of words which are arranged in such a way that gives complete meaning. So here these are the different examples of sentence. You are to analyze whether the example is correct or wrong. So the first one is I am go school. This example has improper structure. So this example is wrong example of sentence, and second one is I too go school, which is also incorrect, and third one is I go to school, which is correct. So last example, this is one word but it is conveying the complete meaning, so this is also an example of sentence. Main elements of sentence, so there are the three main elements: subject, object and verb. You can see in the example I is subject, go is verb and school is object. Forms of sentence, so there are three different forms of sentence: simple sentence, active and passive. Simple sentence is a sentence in which something is told about a noun or a pronoun. Here are the three different examples of simple sentence. First one is I am a teacher. So here you can see it is showing identity. Second one is Ali has a car. So it shows the possession. Ali has something. Third example is she is very happy. This shows the condition. So these are the examples of simple sentence. Second, active sentence. What is active sentence? An active sentence is a sentence where the subject performs the action of. So in active sentence, the subject is the doer and the sentence is direct, concise and often clear. For example, you can see the example of the mail carrier delivered the letter. So this is the example of an active sentence. Passive sentence is one where the subject received the action rather than performing. So in this construction, the subject is acted upon by another element and the sentence is typically uses a form of verb to be followed by a past participle of the main verb. So here the subject is passive. This is the example. The letter was delivered by the mail carrier. Here letter object, it is in the place of subject, and then we have helping verb, then V3 and mail carrier. Structure of sentence. In a sentence, what is the arrangement of subject, linking verb and object? Simple sentence structure. Here subject plus linking verbs plus object. So linking verbs means helping verbs, and here this is the example. She is very happy. She is subject, is helping verb means linking verbs, and happy is object. Next, active sentence. Active sentence structure, there is subject plus verb plus object. Here you can see the example. The mail carrier is subject and delivered is verb, letter object. Passive sentence structure followed by object, helping verb, V3 by subject. Here you can see in the example the structure of passive sentence. First, the letter. So our letter is object, was helping verb, delivered V3, by mail carrier is subject. So as we know, in passive sentence our subject is not active, our objective is active. So this was all about sentence, its basic structure, its forms, the main elements. Hope this video help you in your learning school lessons, college lessons, in your assignment. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.